If you've ever opened a page in Chrome and been hit with the dreaded or snap error, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the or snap Chrome error on PC using a few simple troubleshooting steps that can get your browser working again fast. We'll start with the easiest fix first, then move on to clearing cache and cookies, disabling hardware acceleration, and finally updating Chrome. So if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC fixes and Chrome tips. Let's jump right in. First, when you see the AW snap error, try reloading the page. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and R on your keyboard or by clicking the reload button in Chrome. In many cases, this error is only temporary, and a simple refresh is all it takes to get the page loading properly again. If the page opens after that, great, you're done. But if the error keeps coming back, move on to the next step. The next thing you should do is clear your cache and cookies. Over time, Chrome can store damaged or outdated browsing data, and that can trigger page crashes or loading problems. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. From here, make sure you select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Once those options are selected, click Delete Data. After the cleanup finishes, try loading the page again. This step fixes a lot of browser issues because it gives Chrome a fresh start with the website instead of using old saved data. If you still see the error, the next method is to disable hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can improve performance, but on some systems it can also cause Chrome to crash or display the AW snap message. To turn it off, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and disable it. After turning it off, restart Chrome so the change takes effect. Then go back and check whether the error is gone. For many users, this solves the problem right away, especially if the issue is related to graphics drivers or browser rendering. If the page still won't load properly, the final step is to update Chrome. An outdated version of the browser can have bugs, compatibility issues, or security problems that cause crashes. To update Chrome, click the three dots again, hover over Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version if one is available. Once the update finishes, relaunch the browser if needed and try the website again. Keeping Chrome updated is one of the best ways to avoid errors like this in the future. So to recap, if you get the AW snap Chrome error on PC, first reload the page, then clear cache and cookies, disable hardware acceleration, and update Chrome. One of these steps usually fixes the issue and gets your browser back to normal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.